Okay, for question number 31, it's given the random variable has the following distribution, where A and B are some constants, and random variable has the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and probability of these random variables at x is equal to 1 is 0.2, and respectively for 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's given that mean is 3. So we have to find the values of A and B. Now the mean is 3, and how do we find the mean? So mean is actually the summation of pi into xi, and I goes for here, the I goes from 1 to 5, where it takes the value of the random variables, and this is equal to 3. So this is actually the summation of that is the sum of the product of the random variable and its respective probability. So let's uh, get that. So 1 into 0.2 plus this is 2 into a, which gives me 2a, plus this is 3 into a. So 3a plus 4 into zero point 0.2 is zero point 0.8, plus 5 into b is 5b, is equal to 3. Okay, this is now zero point 0.2 plus 2a plus 3a is 5a, plus zero point 0.8 plus 5b is equal to 3. Now 0.2 plus 0.8 is 8 is 1. So we get 5a plus 5b is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is our first equation. Now to find the value of these two variables a and b, we should have second equation as well. And to get the second equation, we know that the sum of the probabilities of all the events is equal to 1. So that means we can add these sum of probabilities of all events is equal to 1. That means the probability of x is equal to 1. These are the probabilities. Let's add them. So zero point 0.2 plus a plus next is zero point 0.2 plus b should be equal to 1. So zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.2 is zero point 0.4, and a plus a is 8. This is 2a plus b, and 1 minus zero point 0.4 is zero point 0.6. So this is our second equation. So let's try to solve them. So 5a plus 5b is equal to first equation, and 2a plus b is equal to zero point 0.6 is the second equation. And these are the first and the second equations. For first equation, let's multiply this with 2, and second equation, let's multiply this with 5, which gives me 10a 10a plus 10b is equal to 4, and this is 10a. This is 10a, 10b, this is also 10a plus 5b is equal to 3. This is 0.6. Okay, let's subtract these equations. And 10b minus 5b is 5b, 4 minus 3 is 1, so b is equal to 1 by 5. And if b is equal to 1 by 5, let's get a. So once again, now we have got b, and now I'm going to multiply these two equations. Let's multiply first with 1 and second with 5. So first will remain as it is, 5a plus 5b is equal to 2, and this is now 10a plus 5b is equal to 3. Okay, subtracting these two equations once again, this is now negative 5a is equal to negative 1, which gives me a is equal to 1 by 5. So we have got the values of a and b, which is 1 by 5 for both. Okay, now in this question, it's further asked, we have defined the values of a and b. We have got that, and hence determine the probability of when x is greater than equal to 3. So probability when x is greater than equal to 3 means probability when x is equal to 3 plus probability when x is equal to 4 plus probability when x is equal to 5. Okay, so 3 for 3, the probability is a. So this is equal to a plus zero point 0.2 plus point b from the table. A is 1 by 5, zero point 0.2, and b is also 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is zero point 0.2. So this is 0.2. I can write it as 0.2 plus zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.2, which gives me zero point 0.6. So this is the probability for x is greater than, when the random variable has a value, x is greater than equal to 3.